Alright. Okay. I'm live right now. So, today I went and got a phone accessory. Because you know what? I always put my phone in my back pocket and I end up taking a screenshot when the home button gets hit. And look what I found today. A home button protector. So, but we're going to put it on this phone. On this one. So, because I can't. Because mine doesn't have the actual button to, but we're going to use this one. So I can show you at the same time. I snorted. Let me see how this thing works. So opening this thing up. So this is supposed to protect the home button. Alright, so now I can put this in my pocket, and it's supposed to like a cup in it, and it's supposed to protect my home button, but I thought it was pretty cool. It doesn't work. They have this. They have different ones too, but I got tightie whities. I wanted the zebra stripe, but all right. I had to wait because I couldn't find a phone. That's why it took so long. But thanks for thanks for watching. That's the greatest thing. See ya.